But you know what? You can learn so much from all of this. So let's check it out. Hi guys, my name is Merlyn and I would like to share with you my tips on how to learn Dutch easy, fast, and free. Yes, for some of you who don't know me, my name is Merlyn and I come from Indonesia and I've been living in the Netherlands for 5 years. So probably you would think that my Dutch is perfect. In fact, not really. Well, I can understand a lot of things like passively and I can write, but for pronunciation sometimes it's still a bit hard for me because on a daily basis I do speak Bahasa Indonesia and also English. The chance for me to learn Dutch is very limited compared to other people who maybe have Dutch partner or Dutch friends and so on. For me, it is an obstacle, but it doesn't really matter because I always find a way to learn Dutch on my own way and sometimes even free. So it doesn't have to be like very expensive, hiring a private tutor coming to your house and teach you Dutch for 1 hour and then you still cannot learn Dutch, or maybe pay a 3 months Dutch course and you still learn nothing. For me, it's a pity for your time and also your money. So today I would like to share with you how you can learn Dutch for free, and this is something that you can do even though you have a Dutch partner, but maybe you feel like you cannot learn from him or her and you better learn yourself. Maybe this is something that you can do. Actually, I've been doing this for years and I find it really effective. So if you've been living in the Netherlands or maybe just come to the Netherlands, you probably know all of this. All of these players, they're coming to your house or to your apartment every week and it's for free. They're all coming from the local supermarket or maybe pharmacy and so on. So normally what I do or what people do in the beginning, they just look at it, or maybe they don't even look at it and they just throw them away. But you know what? You can learn so much from all of this. So let's check it out.
Today is Sunday 10 a.m. This is the time when I usually get my flyers, and it comes in a bundle like this in a plastic package. And let's do the unboxing. It is pretty heavy though. So if I open this, I will scan everything very quick just to show you what I've got here. Okay, let's start. This one is supermarket, drugstore. This is an advertisement for a car. I don't know what this is. This one is like a warehouse where you can find everything to fix your house. And this one is a place where you can find all of your home interior, like sofa, table, chairs, like IKEA in different way. And this one is about garden. If you want to fix your garden, you can find everything there. This one's supermarket again. And this one, I don't know. Oh, this one is clothing, definitely. This is, yeah, if you want to play lottery, then you can just try. Again, this is a home interior place, warehouse. This one is a big one. I've been there several times and I like it. Again, home interior. This one is a T-Mobile package for your phone. This one is about garden. Home interior again. Supermarket. Another supermarket. Another supermarket again. And last one is drugstore. So that's it. I will just pick one or two for the sake of this video, as we are going to learn Dutch together. The first one I'm going to choose is Dirk. Dirk is one of the biggest supermarket chain in the Netherlands, and it is coming from a person's name. The first word we are going to learn together is stunt price. Stunt means support, price is price. Or support price. If you don't know what that is, you can see the original price, it is discounted. Dirk is de beste supermarkt van Nederland. It means Dirk is the best supermarket in the Netherlands. Particular thing I like about Dirk is that they have a lot of discounts. Who doesn't love discounts? Okay, so here we are going to learn about berries. Frambozen is raspberries, and the black purple one is Brahman. Brahman means blackberries, and per schaal means per box. Okay, and next, appelen. Apple means apple, and appelen with a n at the end of it means plural. Same as kiwi become kiwis. Nectarine becomes nectarines. It's cute and I like to pronounce it. Watermelon becomes watermeloen. Here, aardbeien. Aardbei means strawberry. With en at the end means strawberries. This is something that I'm not really fond of. Wheatloaf, or in English we call it chicory. It's so bitter, but if you cook it right, it won't taste that bitter. And spinazie means spinach. Do you remember which cartoon figure loves spinach so much? Guess. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is Popeye. And now we are going to slagerij. Slagerij is the place where you can get all the meat. Means butchery in English. And here you see riplappen. Riplappen means ribs. And kipdijfilet. Kip means chicken. Dij means the thigh. And filet is just filet. Varken means pork. And here tartar. It is a raw meat, still beef, and sometimes mixed with pork or maybe horse. That's what I read. I'm not really sure. And they eat it raw. Thuismerk means home brand. It is made by Dirk Supermarket themselves. Now we've come to one of my favorite part of this session, which is the pastry. Lekker bij de koffie of tea. Lekker means delicious with coffee or tea. And brood means bread. Brood, bread. By the way, lekker is a specific word that so many Dutch people use it for every occasion. And it means delicious or it's good, it's nice, it's fine, and so forth. Here, kaas means cheese, of course. Next page, you can see on the head title, it is written vers and lekker voordelig. Vers means fresh and lekker voordelig is advantageous. Fruit ontbijt. Fruit means fruit, ontbijt means breakfast, which means altogether fruit drinks that you drink every morning. And next I'm trying to find, quark. Quark is type of yogurt, but it is healthier. You can see there are two different words, quark and yogurt. Yogurt in general contains more fat and quark is way healthier. But yeah, the material is still the same. By the way, this is coffee. It's coffee. Only the writing is a bit different. Lekker weer van Dirk. I don't really know how to translate this lekker word again in this sentence, but the whole meaning is that, yeah, nice seasoned by Dirk. Here, kip salade, chicken salad, luxe staattafel. Luxe means lux, staattafel, sta means stand, tafel is table. Lux stand table. Because tafel is de, that's why we use a at the end of lux. Alright, so let's move forward. Zonnebloemolie. Zon means sun, bloem means flower, olie means oil. So it's kind of like easy, zonnebloemoil, sunflower oil. Again, stunprijs. It is a discounted price. Let's see what else I can show you. Here, chocolade, vlokkers, and hagelslag. Vlokkers, it's a bit bigger, and hagelslag is a bit smaller. Or how do you call it? Like chocolate sprinkles? Oplos coffee. I think if you're coming from Indonesia, this word is very, very familiar. Oplos. It means instant coffee. Vruchten sirup. Syrup is a very similar Indonesian word. Syrup or syrup. And vruchten means fruit. Fruit syrup. Keukenpapier. Keuken means kitchen, papier means paper, or which means altogether is a tissue that you can use in the kitchen. Verband. Month means month, and verband means napkin or towel. This is a thing that in general a girl or a woman use when they have menstruation on monthly basis. And douche gel, which literally translated to shower gel. Fatwas tabletten. Fatwas means dishwasher and tabletten means tablets. Thus, altogether means dishwasher tablets. It's very easy, and this is one of the best brand as well. 2 for 8. It means 2 for the price of €8. And wasmiddel. Was means laundry, and middle is like a detergent. Thus, if it is translated, means laundry detergent. Verzachter. Was here means again laundry, and verzachter means to soften. Thus, fabric softener. Handafwas. Hand means hand. Afwas means wash. Thus, it is translated as something that you can wash with hand. Kleding stomer. Kleding means clothes and stomer is steamer. So pretty easy, right? This is the steam or stoom in Dutch and kleding. Heren singlet. I don't need to explain this, but you can see it already on the picture. And also heren short, it means the pants. Kinderstoel. Kinder means child and stoel means chair. Bijzettafel means side table. Prijsdoorbraak. Doorbraak here is like breakthrough, which is like something that is quite extreme until you get the discounted price. Prijsdoorbraak. Football. As you can see, this is football. It's like football. Football. Hoofdkussen. Hoofd means your head and kussen is the pillow. Hoofdkussen. And this one with cooling gel for €15. I've never seen it. I'll definitely buy it. Next, droogrek. Droog means dry and rek means rack. Drying rack for your clothes. Keukenpannen. Keuken again, it is kitchen, and pannen means pans. Kitchen pans. Soepkom. It means the bowl for your soup. Dekbed overtrek. Dekbed means duvet and overtrek means cover. So the cover for your duvet. Like this. And then hoeslanken means fitted sheet. Like the picture below. Stofzuiger. Stof means dust and zuiger means to suck or a sucker. Thus, the translation is dust sucker. I'm just joking. It means vacuum cleaner. Kolom ventilator. You can see it is like column and ventilator is like this. Let's see what we can learn more. Broodrooster. Yeah, this is to roast your bread. I have it at home as well. Before we continue, I have decided to separate the second part to another video, so you can enjoy learning Dutch step by step and don't feel too overwhelmed with this one. How does it sound, guys? I'll see you again in the next vlog.
Alright, so that's the tips of today's video. You have learned so much today, and I hope you find it really useful and you can implement it on daily basis. And for you who live outside the Netherlands and you don't have all of this, don't worry, because I will give you the link down below. You can just click and then access everything online. So yeah, that's the video for today, and don't forget to click subscribe, like, and then share. Bye!